what a demo really is and how you make a demo. One of my subscribers asked me about that. I came up with this short film just to tell you a little bit about. One of my subscribers asked, how do you really make a demo? Could I go a little bit more into detail about how to do that? Well, it's really a simple thing. What it is you're finding stock footage, which is online. Now, they got stock footage that is you can pay for, but they also got free ones, free sites that give you free things. But if you pick the membership, then you get it picked from a lot more than just a small bit, not a whole lot. And my main thing that I started out with was Pixel. Pixel was a great site to make my first demo. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun trying to put it together. But in today's market, it is simple as all get out. With all the technology they got nowadays, it is a simple prospect. Very simple. But you'll get film that you pull down, and then you piece them all together to make one demo. But making that one demo is pretty simple. Put on your director hat, put on your producer hat, and then you start to do it just as if you were making a film for TV. But not with all the bells and whistles. It can be way simpler than that. But like I said before, the technology now, it will look real. It will look real. They've got a lot of stock footage out there that's free.
Alrighty then.
But also they have sites where you have to have a membership. Some of it's free. Sometimes it's free for the first 30 days for you to use it. And that's all you're going to use it for, is for the first 30 days. But inside of Pixel, you got things like this, and this. And it's all free. These are free things that you can drop down into your computer and you can use them to make your demo. And like I mentioned before, you can find scripts anywhere. They're all over the place. But I got mine when I first started out at Voices 123 because they have free ones. They even have practice groups that will judge your work for free. Doesn't cost anything. All you gotta do is sign up, but not the membership, but just sign up so you can sign in. And there's also other places that you can use that makes it all so much more simple. For all my years, I used Premiere, Adobe Premiere, and I would put together anything. I could do anything with that. But then I found Filmora, which I've mentioned to you before. And none of this is sponsored by any of these people I'm mentioning. I'm just telling you so you can advance and make that money and be successful. Filmora helps you do everything. It gives you animation if you want animation in your film. It gives you all kinds of things that you can plug into it. Fade ins, fade outs, blurs, all kinds of things. And I found that to be very useful. But if you want the completely no frills, and it's free, it's OBS. Another thing I mentioned. Look, remember, no sponsors. This is just the truth from me, somebody that's used these things and made a lot of money using these things. But all you have to do is be creative. And if you want to be a voice actor, you're already creative. And for my subscriber that asked me to put on a video and let them know about this, that person sounds like they're serious. Like they really want to make some money at this. And that's the people that I want to look at these films. Somebody that wants to make some money at this. Because there's nothing out there that's going to stop you from doing that. There's nothing like a human being. Point blank. AI can't touch us. Because they can't do our voice like we're doing. They can't talk like I'm talking right now. That's impossible. So don't worry about that. Just continue on and work. Work on it. They want human beings to sell their products. And you can sell it when you do your demo. And your demo is just piecing together things. Taking film and piecing it together. And once you got that film pieced together, and then put your voice beneath it, then you go look for some music. Not music that goes through the whole demo. No, that's not how it works. You get different music for each one of your demo clips. That's what you have to do. For each individual one, you have to have individual music, and you know that music out there is free. You know there's royalty-free music everywhere. You can get, what is it, YouTube library, royalty-free music. Put the theme in of that particular commercial, it'll give you music that's good for that. And it's royalty-free music. That's all you want. You don't want to buy nothing. I ain't buying no royalty anything. No. If it has a stipulation that you just have to mention the person that made it, put it in there. Make sure it's there somewhere. I don't care how small it is. Make sure it's there, because that's a stipulation, but most of them don't have that stipulation at all. They just have it as free music. Put that in there for each individual slot of film, along with your voice, and be believable. Please be believable. Feel it before you see it. Don't just read it like a robot. Read it with emotion. Read each and every one of your scripts with emotion. Know what that emotion is before you even start. Know what it is. But if you find yourself wanting and needing more help in this, I am a professional voiceover actor. Have been for at least 4.5 to 5 years. And even before that, I was a communications major in college. But I didn't equate that to this. Not at all. I got none of my skills that way. I got it from working. And your demo is your calling card to say, this man sounds great and he can sell what I want to sell. He can sell my product. So let's go through it again. Get your footage from these different sites. Pixel is my number one because it's free. I like free. Number two, you pick film according to your product, what you're reading about. Something that matches it in some way. Sometimes I use still shots. Just still shots. Still footage, not moving footage, in my demo. Some people just use that all alone, just still shots. But Pixel has video also. If you want to go that route, it has video also. But me, I use very little video, few shots that were just images of what I was reading about that fit, and that's how I made my demo. That's how it was years and years ago. That's how I made my demo. Just be convincing. Use your voice. Be you. I'm not asking you to imitate anybody. Be you. And once you have all those things together, fit it together, and you've already got your read on it, then you put music to it. Music for each individual clip. Not the same as what I would do here, but it's very simple. And thank you, my great subscriber, for asking this question. And if anybody else has any other questions that they think I can help them with, just let me know. I'll be here. Thank you. Have a great day.